Understanding the phrase, hit a rich vein in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, hit a rich vein. This expression is not just about mining or geology. It's a metaphor used in various contexts. Let's dive into its meaning and usage to enrich your English vocabulary. The phrase, hit a rich vein, originates from mining. In this context, it refers to finding a vein of valuable mineral, like gold or silver, in the earth. This literal meaning paints a picture of sudden and significant success or discovery. In everyday English, hit a rich vein is often used metaphorically. It means to find a source of abundant or valuable material or information. For example, a writer might hit a rich vein of inspiration, or a researcher might hit a rich vein of data. This usage implies a fortunate and productive discovery. Let's look at some examples to understand better. 1. The journalist hit a rich vein of information while investigating the story. 2. After years of research, the scientist finally hit a rich vein in her experiments. 3. The author hit a rich vein of creativity for his latest novel. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various professional and creative fields. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, hit a rich vein. Remember, it's a versatile expression that can add flair to your language, whether you're talking about literal discoveries or metaphorical ones. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to seeing you use this phrase in your conversations. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.